Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about PS5 not turning on but beeps. Get it working in no time. Number 1. Power cycle the PS5. Unplug the power cord from the PS5 and wait for at least 30 seconds. Plug the power cord back in and press the power button. Number 2. Inspect the power supply. A malfunctioning power supply unit PSU is a common cause for this issue. Consider consulting a professional technician for PSU replacement. Number 3. Check for overheating. Ensure the PS5 is placed in a well ventilated area to prevent overheating. Remove any obstructions around the vents. Thanks for watching.